So let me show you how to clear cache on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. So go to settings. Under settings, you can scroll down to apps, tap on that, and then scroll down to app list, tap on that, and then you can find the apps you use the most. All right, so you can go to sort by, you can go to size, and then these are probably the apps you use the most. All right, so you can go to an app like Samsung Health app, for instance, tap on that, and then you can scroll down under the Samsung Health app and find the clear cache option. So you can tap on that, and that's going to clear the cache for that app. And then you can go and do that for all the apps you use often. So I'm going to go to voice recorder and also clear the cache for that app. And you can clear cache from as many apps as possible, and that's going to clear most of the cache on your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. Now, in addition to that, you can also clear the cache by going to settings and then going to device care, tap on that, and then under device care, you can go to memory, which is your RAM, select that, and then tap on clear memory. That's also going to take care of some cache data on your RAM. Okay, so those are the two ways you can do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.